Hi, Brett Hampson here, founder of Mainetec and Director of Growth and Strategy. At Mainetec, our philosophy of continuous improvement from innovative design is ongoing, with our groundbreaking Hulk excavator bucket range. Mainetec has challenged the age-old excavator bucket design, and in doing so has developed the strongest, safest and most productive excavator bucket on the market today. With the introduction of cast gutters and torque tubes, the overall strength of the bucket has improved dramatically. This has also improved material flow, meaning the bucket fills easier and faster than standard bucket with a reduction in hang-up. Although the bucket is lighter in weight and more efficient, the Hulk bucket is stronger than the standard bucket design. Through design, Mainetec have been able to make the bucket linerless, which removes the risk of stored energy potential and turn the steel back into payload. More dirt, less steel. Hulk excavator buckets in the field are seeing fantastic production gains. With a 36 cubic metre bucket, we see production gains of up to 9%, and most size excavator buckets a reduction on average 1 pass per load per truck. These production gains equate to an extra 1.12 million banked cubic metres or 2 million tonnes moved per year, per bucket over the competitor's standard bucket. Based on a cost of $2 per banked cubic metre moved, the end user has potential cost savings in excess of $2.2 million per bucket per year, and that doesn't take into account the reduced fuel burn and less strain on the excavator itself. With the linerless design, there is reduced preventative maintenance on site, meaning less man hours and reduced risk of exposure to having the workers in the field. Mainetec has also developed an innovative MainSafe lightweight end cap. These have significantly improved safety with manual handling. All buckets are available with Mainetec's pins, bushes and the innovative MainSafe lightweight end caps. The Hulk excavator bucket is 100% Australian made and owned, and is designed and engineered to suit any digging conditions, and all buckets are specifically designed within all OEM specifications. Remember, the Mainetec Hulk excavator bucket, lighter, stronger, safer, linerless, more productive and reduced maintenance costs.